Memory drawing and compositions. These are two topics from where you always get question in almost every design entrance exam. If it is NID, National Institute of Design, if it's IIT, UC SEED or NIFT. So this is one of the areas from where you usually get the questions. Now what happens in UC or NID exam, that the questions are usually in the mode of perspective, like from 1 point, 2 point or 3 point. But again, perspective is going to just be the technique through which you want to express that whole scenario, but that is definitely a memory drawing and a composition. Now what is memory drawing? Guys, first of all, we have a session on YouTube. You can go and always see that session on YouTube. Memory drawing is something which usually occurs in our, the picture is in our mind and we have seen that scene or situation somewhere, and that you are recalling it and expressing that on your paper via sketching. So NIFT usually asks these questions, and in PYQs you will get to see these questions. Like one of the questions from PYQ was, draw and render a feather of a duck or a kingfisher. Draw only feather in detail and not the bird. Now, we usually see birds. We know peacock, we know peahen, and there are many birds we know. But recalling the feather of a kingfisher or a duck, and here in this question it's mentioned that you have to sketch the feather, not the bird. Now this is something memory drawing. In memory drawing, you do not only sketch the scenes or the situations, a marketplace or a fish market or maybe a railway station or maybe an airport or a medical shop, but there are animals, there are these living creatures which you will be recalling and imagining that how the beak was, how the mouth was, how the feather was, and that could be again one of the questions. Now this is one of the segment for which students are not usually prepared. So it's very important to observe things, go through things and then render it. Now again, there were questions related to design a space for a virtual webinar. Now we all know about seminar. Now here this question was asked on the time of COVID, when students were giving the exam in the CBT format, and in this question many of the students got confused webinar and they made seminar. So as the word suggests, webinar, you are sitting in front of your web or a computer, and how the situation is how the chairs are going to be, how the screen is going to be, complete scenario, you need to sketch that, the space for virtual webinar. So again, this was related to memory drawing. I'll go to more questions. Draw any one of the following scenes: the view of the traffic signal from inside the car, a street play being organized. Now these are the scenes which everyone has seen. A community festival celebration. It could be, it can be Janmashtami, okay? It can be your 15th and 26th January, 15th August. The view of the traffic signal from inside the car. Now you're sitting inside the car. How that visual is going to be if a rickshaw is standing in front of you, or somebody on his bike, maybe he's talking on his phone and he's going towards moving forward. So there are many things happening around us. So making a very engaged road, and through that engagement, through that sketching, if you are telling a story, that has marks. So composition and memory drawing, usually you narrate a story not in verbal format, but you are sketching it out. Moving forward, one topic from the option given below was which was asked in, I guess, 2019 or 18, a magic show, obey traffic rules or go green. Again, this was a memory drawing question. Not go green, but we make certain elements to depict go green things, but a magic show or a circus, it is purely a composition or a memory drawing. So these are some of the proofs which I did show you, that how you have got these questions in your previous year. Now everyday spaces you have to practice, in which start making your drawing room, kitchen, your like reading space. Try making the public places like an ATM or maybe a grocery store, or the common activities, objects or spaces student interact with regularly. Now object and spaces where students interactions are there every time, like if you are visiting a library, that could be a space. Objects like if you are using any like a mixer grinder in your home, that is your interaction with that object. So how are you going to portray that? So like these questions you have, like previous year also, if you go through the PYQ, so 2025 question, there was a question, the second question, in which you have to show your hands holding a book or reading a book. So that was also a scenario based questions, again based on memory drawing and composition. Memory angles, what you need to take care about, questions dependent on how well students remember the spatial details, how well you remember that you interacted with any object. Like for example, if you're reading a book, there can be maybe a bookmark or a tag that you can make, and it is not mentioned in your question, but still you are making. It can be some doodling done on the paper or the page which you are reading, or maybe some highlighters, the sentences which you did highlight. So these things, what you make a story through your sketching. Layout, interaction and usability mattered more than aesthetics. So coloring very nicely and decorating it doesn't matter actually. What matters is your ideas, your creativity which you're putting, your storytelling which you're putting, the layouting, the complete composition of that page matters. So these are the areas on which you usually get your marks. Now I am going to show you some pictures or some compositions and memory drawing made by our student, and then you can observe these pictures. We are going to discuss these pictures and you'll see how you can attempt these questions. So one of the solutions here which you can see, a usual scene where you go to a restaurant or you're eating, and from your point of view whatever you are seeing, so see how beautifully it is well composed, the wine glass, the person, and from your perspective there is a mom and a child who usually we all know children throw tantrums, right? So this whole sketch is telling a story. And storytelling is one of the most important part of compositions or storyboards. And there is a waiter, we can see this bow and the chair and the whole complete scenario, the lighting fixture, the sofa, the painting. So every element has been sketched meeting all the important criterias of the question. If I'm talking about a restaurant, there are some aesthetics which we will often see inside a restaurant. So this is the possible well composed sketch which you can usually make if you are attempting the compositions questions. Moving forward, now you can see one of the questions and like sketches, and the question was related to the cluttered kitchen. Now we all know that when our moms are working in the kitchen is many times very cluttered because it's in the working mode. Now you can see these clothes, these utensils kept here, the cupboard, the opened cupboard, the utensils kept here, again the dustbin that has been fallen down, some things which are falling from here and your mother standing here, the cabinets, the whole chimney part. Yes, you can see the detailings of the chimney part, the gas stove and the utensil that has been kept on the gas stove, and the whole detailing is speaking a lot about the work which is going on in the kitchen. So making it like that is very important. And if you're only doing the line drawing, if you're not shading a bit also, you usually get 1 hour for this question. And every aspect is very important when you are making a composition. Moving forward, again, this is one of the composition where the table has been showed, and that's again in the working mode. The laptop, the pens, the books, the time, the lamp, the curtain, the to-do list. This could be a working table or a study area which we can see, and see how nicely that has been composed. And a coffee mug, if someone is giving you milk or a coffee mug, it's kept here, and a bottle and a pen. So all these things are very important, and that's how the door has been opened. Someone came inside and he or she, no, it's a she, how आप यहाँ पे head देख सकते हो. So the complete storytelling has been done through this composition. So when I say the question is of 40 marks and you end up getting only 10 or 12 marks, the major element or the criteria is missing, and that is storytelling. So storytelling पे बहुत marks है. If your artwork speaks about it by itself, obviously you're going to get marks, because you are not going to be present there speaking about your artwork. So that's how you can attempt these type of questions. Again, this was one of the question, and it was asked in, I guess, NIFT 2023, where like autumn season or a winter season, maybe the kids are playing in the evening, ऐसा कुछ question का demand था. So this was the solution made by one of our students. I don't remember the question exactly, but this was the solution. So the boxes were provided, so that's why the solution is in the squares shape, because previously 3-4 साल पहले NIFT used to provide the papers where boxes were made. So the solutions had to be in that boxes only. So that's why the solution is like that. Some of the solutions of compositions, memory drawing, where you usually keep in mind the very minute and the minor details and read the question very carefully, because in NIFT you usually get the questions in 1 or 2 lines only, like make a marketplace or make a magic show, or maybe from bird's eye view make a circus that is in the outskirts of the city. So this was the question of MDES actually, previous to previous year. Unlike NID and UCEED, what they usually do, they do ask compositions and perspective, but they narrate whole story in the question. And in NIFT, you do not get complete narration in that question. So it's very important to create your story and depict that through sketches. So I hope you like this session, and if you have any questions in your mind, you can come and put up your questions in the query section, comment section, and we'll get back to you. So that's it for today, guys. All the best for your exam. Take care. Bye-bye.